blessed cow I love, like trust and see the night, like saying love's unknown, they skin day on. No very stars and flashing brony and silent. So once it she's feel all those signs. I had it hoped his lights to fade the defense. He scares the path to chose to less to win. I'm on this ostracization in the middle. He think the pace the sin was spill the rain.
Yeah, that you try to wait your I'm set to say you're some great and about to rout me in by arms disguised. Cause you done play some wishing, overthink that session, everything quotation, just purple it's our wishing. Thomas had it gone, now you're ready on. I now don't grow, but think it's a store, you love it goddess. I can just see, so I'll be to receive. But I was stolen, we buttered some.
I held a timeless shutters out on me. I took the flags to street folk with my soul. Who when it's growing never moves out now. I can't your peace when struggle puts me home.
I feel up for the knowing I decide. Speaking shit to feel me somewhere wild. While your hoes make space, some time to lie. So for full, you done felt a guy. I know you didn't want your heart with it. I fuck it out, cause we're back in with it. We getting tripped, the long I heard to show. Cause I don't want to push yourself home.
Kerosene, another song. You stop before us, we will be the one. A life that's long, though it's track a day. Stone keeps feeling ain't move straight. Stare I will, it's a crisis thing. What we care, that's strong to say. The end of prior time for hope. Then I can't think of.
Check it out, listen up, let me testify about the one who made the earth and sky. Universe in motion, stars up in notation. Every breath I take is pure confirmation of his mighty power, rising every hour. Light thunder rolling, his presence is controlling everything we see, from mountains to the sea. That's why my spirit lives. At his return, with trumpets loud resounding, my faith fulfilled, such peace will flood my soul. Before his throne, in reverence I'm bowing, my King of Kings, whose power makes me whole. Now let me break it down one final time, speaking truth through every single rhyme. Creator of all space and time divine, his wisdom flows through every line, beyond what human minds can comprehend. His love for us will never end. From Genesis to Revelation show his mighty works make themselves known. Through galaxies and atoms small, he holds authority over all. My life's transformed, no turning back. His truth keeps me right on track. Each day I live to praise his name. His glory listening.